In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from Cash App to Trust Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Cash App like you normally would. And now you want to scroll down and double check that you actually have some Bitcoin. So we do right over here. And then you want to go ahead and press on these two arrows and press over here where it says send. Then determine the amount of Bitcoin you would like to send. You can put it in terms of dollars or in terms of Bitcoin. That's 100% up to you. And now afterwards, it's going to ask you to actually input a crypto address. And from there, that's where we need to go ahead and open up Trust Wallet. All right, guys, so here we are in Trust Wallet. And now what we need to do is we need to make sure we are signed into the proper account. Then afterwards, you want to go ahead and press over here where it says receive. And you want to select on Bitcoin. And then over here, you're able to go ahead and press on this copy button, and that is going to automatically copy your crypto address. And then you can head back over to Cash App, paste it in there, and then send your Bitcoin from Cash App to Trust Wallet just like that. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.